So um, let us start with the, remember we was doing from this chapter आपको leadership और leader की qualities और क्या जो physical education है वो good leaders को क्या means they have means leaders through the physical education that we have although क्या means what creating leaders by physical education. So all these was the creating leader qualities means everything you know that, or try to do the best way this question. If you get it in the exam, you have all those things, good presentation and all the questions. I think topic is clear to you. Next I did already the adventure sports. बेटा आपको मीनिंग और डेफिनेशन बताई है मैंने, फिर भी एक बार रिवाइज कर रही हूँ. These are outdoor sports or activities in which the participants compete in the nature, in natural environment or the lap of the nature, more against himself than against others. ये मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि ये MCQ है कि इसमें हम कंपटीशन नहीं करते बेटा, वी जस्ट एंजॉय एज ए रिक्रिएटिव. इस रिक्रिएशन एक्टिविटी गिव अस द लॉट्स ऑफ थ्रिल्स, बट वी डोंट compete each other, means there is no competition that who is first, who is second. So this is what it is, and is always done in the lap of nature, means natural environment, and it is giving us unlimited thrills, but little bit it's part of is risky, so we should have certain kinds of precautions, I can say the measures. So I think this adventure sports meaning is clear. Then objective, all of you know, even the definition already clear. It encourage for the do the activities in the nature to have to face, give us the confidence, self confidence. It increase the capacity to face the difficult situation or the challenges that, and I can say build up the concentration to develop the physical fitness or develop the mental mental development, or mental means it increase the mental development too. It will give us lots of thrill, recreation, encourage the tourism. So I am doing everything in the brief like this way because you already done in the detail. And there are Tushar, if you are there, you know by heart how many we have this in the adventure sports in your syllabus, types of adventure sports. Just tell me the number. Anybody know? Anyone? 6. So we have 6 adventure sports. Those are the name is rock climbing, trekking, river rafting, and mountain, surfing, and the paragliding. So all these are the safety adventure sports. We need to those just first one is a rock climbing. It is activity which participants climb up and down or across the natural rocks formations. Trekking is it is a track is a long journey on the, especially on the foot, especially in the mountains area and the forest for the player and the sports. River rafting is rafting or the whitewater rafting. Same there is same thing. Be careful, here is MCQ. River rafting and whitewater rafting is same thing. Is the recreational outdoor activity of using an, what is that, inflatable raft to with the navigations river or other words bodies of the water. Monitoring mountain climbing in the sports, hiking, climbing mountains, it is a sports. Then combine climbing, hiking mountains done in a regular terms, rocky area or the ice or slow sloping kind of things. Surfing is a surface water sports in which the it is here is MCQ. Surfing is a water sports. So if you get the MCQ which one is the water sports, so you know the surfing is the water sports, in which the waves riders refer or I can say referred to as a surfer rides on the forward or a deep free of a moving with the waves, bottom line. Paragliding is a recreational and a competitive kind of adventure sports of flying paraglides. You know that how it is. So all these are your adventure sports. Now the question is that you are getting in your syllabus, that is the next one is the safety measure to prevent the sports injury. So when you will do each one of them, you will see that which equipment we need, or after that which kind of measure we should take. So in the equipment, I will say, means everything what each equipment is according to the need, is according to the adventure sports activity, because what we need in the river rafting, we don't need the same things in the rock climbing. Instead of few things, first aid box is everywhere, kind of things is emergency light, means water bottles, shoes, clothes conditions means should be good according to the situation. So these kind of things you need commonly for all, but basically according to the things. It's just like rock climbing, we have different equipment, and river rafting, trekking, we have different kinds of equipment. So for the safety measure, beta, is what they did, each one of them we need the safety, because you see the I give you the in the definition, it is giving us unlimited thrill, enjoyment, but on the another way it is very risky. Adventure sports are risky, so we should always keep in our mind safety measure to prevent these sports injury. That's why CBSE has special this fifth topic in your this syllabus. This unit is safety measure to prevent the sports injuries. So serious injuries can be with this adventurous activity. It can be generally advisable to discuss the safety measures, or before signing for the trip, they always ask you fill up this form. This is a sign, means you are we need the approval that you are participating and all these things. Kind of these things, equipment used and qualification of the company and the guides are always essential information. Some of the common I can share with you. You can now see the presentation that we have the next page, that how we can keep in our mind that all these avoid the, if we take those measures in our mind, that will help us to avoid the serious sports injuries, means serious injuries during we do the adventure sports. To organize and keep material or equipment readily available. But जब भी हम लोग पिकनिक पे इवन जाते हैं, तो उसके लिए हम सारे ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, आप ये वाला कर लेना, हम ये कर लेंगे. तो like this way, if we go for the adventure sports, always the teacher will, or the school will provide you the, even sometime it give, they print out all these 10 conditions that each one should have the knowledge, or each one should carry with them, it is most important. So that is be organized and keep the material and equipment with us. Never approach with a wild animal and insects, means those are bite, means give you the kind of dangers. You should always go to the, when foresting you doing, monitoring you doing any kind of things, you go in the nature, don't attempt to feed wild animal. Keep your food safely store away or hang up at some of the tree. Don't keep food in your tent like this way if we are doing this camping or like this for monitoring. So this is a never approach the wild animals. Next one is wear sunscreen and sunglasses, because we are doing the daytime, and naturally this kind of things will help us for the eye and for as well as for the body. Never hike alone, always go with the friends. So tell someone else your means whatever your plan is, you should always, just like teacher can make the group like this way, or you should have always with you the water bottle to kind of snack, and I can say flashlight. Don't forget your means what is a map in with you, so forget like this way. And always you guys, I want to add over here, have the ID card in your with you, that which has all the information and your contact number in case anybody need to call, or you get lost, or you need somebody, where are you. Water purification system, be prepared with that. And the next one is supervise your children, means you should, I make the group just like and say, you are the leader, under you I am giving you four, you guys pick up whatever you are friends, take four students, that is 4 or 5, and you are the supervisor, please keep touch with me. So whenever I have to be called, I will call the supervisor. Pay attention to weather conditions. So means according to the weather condition, in case case in the lap of nature, sometime it get all of a sudden it can be more cold over there or kind of thing. Just like we are going on any kind of the beach or like this way that or river side, and be careful, watch their signals and precautions. Sometimes you see on the newspaper, you see some people, students go for the trip, they don't want to listen the supervisor over there, and they just go in. And I think it happened 2 years before, and even last year too, one of the group, they don't want to listen, but same time they said it's a danger zone, don't go in that area, they still go and they lost their lives. So be very careful with the gas or full things. Just like always keep the means careful, don't spill things or kind of here and there. If you have a tank of fuels with you, to just like gas, I think cooking gas or anything like this way. Food should be the way, you know, I don't need to say what kind of food we should carry when we go this kind of things. Instead of cooking, it should be ready to go dry fruits kind, means dry kind of, that has a more carbohydrates, because carbohydrate is good for the energy. Fire safety, clear area, proper training and physical fitness. So all these things, proper training and physical fitness, and blood circulation can be avoid wearing very tight clothes or the shoes, or I can say the pair of socks. Sometimes it's very tight. Usually when we wear the new one, you know how the socks are, so they can means it can be clots your blood and the restrict blood flow on the feet and resulting in the cold feet. So these are all the, what is that, safety measure. Even you can add more few things that you can say these are the also safety measures. Just like I can say, when we are going for river rafting, that is we need the first aid box, additional clothes, t-shirts, life jackets, and good shoes and socks, torture and camping equipment, sunglasses, a plastic bag for the kind of means test material, or a hamlet, waterproof bags, flashlight, and personal medication. These medicines means. So these are the things that we should always safety pin, paper dishes, just soap, and markers, toothpaste. This kind of things we need to always carry with us. Those are the common. So when you do the material we need or equipment we need, you will be easy for you to take care of that. But safety measure is the different than the equipment. Equipment is what we needed, but safety measure is the first aid kit, never ever forget. First aid kit, then sunscreen lotion, good shoes and socks, sunglasses, I can say life jacket if you are going for in the water, hamlet, and the plastic bags and the waterproof bags, flashlight you done, and personal medications. This kind of things. So means kind of few things you can always carry with you. I am telling you the common equipment, but rest I told you already that equipment should be according to the what it is, the activity is the a different activity has the different things. But I share with you the common what the syllabus is, safety measures to prevent the sports injuries. And this is all Garish, you don't get the signal. I got the signal for the only few minutes are left. I don't know, but I still want to be share with you. Go ahead, Garish.
Yes, ma'am.
You got the message?
Ma'am, no, right now, happy.
Okay, but Seema ma'am just text me that. Okay, uh, important terms, and I can want to important tips when we are together. So I want to tell you few important tips that are I already go with you. Leader in this chapter we are covering leadership, quality of. Garish, is people are leaving students or they are just coming?
मैम ज्वाइन किया, अभी ज्वाइन किया।
अभी जो ये कौन है? Because
मैम पहले
I am in the sun. I can't read the name because I am
मैम
getting the signal.
पहले
Okay.
मिताली का ना लीव हो गया था, फिर मिताली ने रीजॉइन किया, बट तुषार ने अभी ज्वाइन किया है।
तुषार तो पहले नहीं तुषार था वहां पे?
तुषार पहले नहीं था, अब आया।
तुषार, तुषार, you join or you don't join yet?
मैम ज्वाइन है तुषार।
तो अभी आने का क्या मतलब है तुषार का?
मैम वो कहीं गया हुआ था ना, तो लिंक उसने अभी देखा है।
दोबारा से नहीं, मीन्स अभी ज्वाइन ही उसने अब किया है?
ज्वाइन ही अभी किया मैम।
He was somewhere else or he was just not at home?
नॉट एट होम मैम।
Okay, you know already about this?
या मैम
Because
आई एम नॉट, मेरी मेडिसिन लेने गया था तो वो 10-15 मिनट
okay,
लेट हो गया क्लास ज्वाइन करने में, सॉरी।
चल ठीक है, because Seema ma'am is there from the office, so she should. That's why I'm asking you. So she should note down this week why the child is late. Okay?
ना तो extra आता है
Excuse me?
मैम। वो मेडिसिन लेने मेरी गया था, सॉरी फॉर
No, it's
inconvenience.
all right, ma'am. Why I'm asking you, because somebody else is on the from the office is here, so they should know that why the child is late. So that's a good thing to mention the reason. All
ओके
right?
मैम,
Okay. Okay. So next is the leadership. It is a quality. I just share with you that a few things that is we can revise it, because then easy for you to do all the MCQ. I am sending you the MCQ today. You have to be go through by yourself. Don't ask me that or even anybody else that we need the answer key. You will do it easily because the notes are in front of you. Everything you can do easily because of if you will try yourself, it will maintain your more confidence. Then you will never make the mistake in the final exam. That's why I want to revise one more time. I have still 5 minutes. So what is that in the we have 5 topics on this unit. First topic is the leadership quality and role of a leader. You know very well, if you get the 5 marks question, it's easy for you to attempt it, that telling what is leadership and what is the quality, and you know how you can make the flow chart by alphabet LEADERSHIP. So very easy, 2 3 you can remember and try to be write down when you will learn those. Then again, the second question is the role of leader. If you know the quality, it's very easy for you what are the roles of a leader. But over here you should know leaders are by 2 type. It's by hereditary and by environment. By hereditary or by makeup, means by natural or by makeup. So those are very easy means examples for you. Those are by the hereditary, means from the grandparents to parents, they keep moving like this way, or the environment, or by made up, those are just by the environment they learn the quality of a leader. Second unit is the topic is the creating leader by physical education. So you should all these things have to be what is the qualities, means how we can physical education is the way that we can have the better qualities of a leader. It creates the leaders that have it develop physical education. By all doing the activities, we learn lots of the qualities, and I try to give you the main few of the those leaders. They all know they are leader, a real leader of this nation, and they used to be the a sportsman. So those kind of examples you can better to be mentioned to make your question good. So those was the qualities. There again you have to be mold those qualities right over here by saying that we can learn through physical education. Stress should be I can create the physical education is the way that it provide us number of opportunities are available to be a good leader. Next is the just we go through with that meaning, objective, and types of adventure sports, and I share with you all those what are the what is adventure sports is, and what are the adventure sports are those outdoor sports activity in which we participated and compete in the nature or in natural environment or in the lap of the nature, more against himself and again not than against others. Objective already you know, I just share with you because it is provide us unlimited thrills, recreation, encourage meant and self-confident, face to difficult situation, build up concentration, physical development as well as mental development. And this but I ask the question before you that what how many are the adventure sports you have. You have 6 adventure sports, so each one of them I share with you, and at the end we have safety measure to prevent the sports injuries. Those all safety measures I go through each one of them, and I am going to send you the detail no the safety measure, so you can write down on your with include with this flow chart that you having in front of you. You can add those as a explanation for the as a preventive measure in the sports to the sports injuries. So this is all about it. So today I am going to send you the safety measure to prevent sports injury in the detail. Already I sent you the notes, and some important, I can say, the MCQ of this lesson, and I want you can do those, try those today, and go through with the lesson today. And next from uh, 2 days you have Sunday and Monday. Spare the time, include for the third chapter and second chapter. Do both the chapters thoroughly so you can be able to attempt the MCQ. So Monday, Tuesday we have 20 minutes MCQ test. Before I will take 30 minutes your class to revising the third topic, because I'm making you ready for this UT. So second chapter is already was done. I want to be this time start the your this revision from the back. So third lesson we will revise on Tuesday, as well as you have a test of second and third chapter on Tuesday. So wish you all the best. This please take care. It's getting bad outside. Stay with your families and take care of yourself. Thank you so much to joining with me. God bless you, beta.